In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets. Freezing rows and columns can be incredibly helpful when working with large datasets, as it allows you to keep headers or key labels visible as you scroll through your content. Let's get started and make navigating your data a breeze. First, open up your Google Sheet where you'd like to freeze rows or columns. Once you're ready, take a look at the menu bar at the top. Begin by clicking on the View option. This opens up a drop-down menu with a list of viewing options that make managing your spreadsheet easier. Next, direct your attention to the Freeze option in this drop-down menu. Clicking on Freeze will provide you with additional choices to freeze specific parts of your spreadsheet. The options typically include freezing up to 2 rows or 2 columns, depending on your preference. Let's start with rows. After clicking on Freeze, choose the option to freeze either 1 or 2 rows. This function is particularly useful if you have header rows that you need to keep visible at all times while scrolling through the rest of your data. Once you have chosen your Row Freeze option, you will notice that the specified number of rows remains stationary at the top while the rest of the content scrolls beneath them. Now let's go through the steps to freeze columns. Again, start by clicking on View in your menu. From there, select Freeze once more. This time, look for the option to freeze columns instead of rows. Just like with rows, you can choose to freeze either 1 or 2 columns. Freezing columns can be beneficial if you have important data, such as identifying labels or unique codes in the first column or two that you need to view continuously. After selecting the columns you want to freeze, you'll see that these columns stay fixed on the left side of your screen as you navigate to the right. This really helps maintain context and reduces confusion when analyzing extensive spreadsheets. Now you've successfully frozen both rows and columns, allowing for seamless scrolling and unobstructed viewing of essential headers and labels regardless of how far down or across your spreadsheet you navigate. Keeping critical data visible can enhance productivity and help you make informed decisions based on readily accessible information. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful feature to improve your experience with Google Sheets. Don't forget that you can always go back to the View menu and adjust or unfreeze rows and columns as needed to accommodate any changes in your data layout or preferences. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your workflow in Google Sheets.